What's up guys? Welcome back to Dame Untamed. Today's video is totally different from my other ones and it's not going to be so much travel focused, but I was really excited about a 30th birthday purchase I made for myself and I really wanted to share it with you guys. I bought a drone. I've never owned a drone, I've never flown a drone, but I was really excited at the idea of upping my video game and having some really amazing cinematic aerial shots for you guys of my future travels. So today's video is all about me flying it for the first time. Let's do it. Wait, we have to introduce my teacher. This is my teacher today. This is Kevin.
Nice to meet you.
And this is our spectator. What's your other job? Oh yeah, my videographer.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Paid by the hour.
Much appreciated. Oh, this is so cool. I'm looking at you on my screen from there right now. All right, ready?
Yep.
Take off! Woo!
Good job.
That's how it's done.
How do you feel after your first flight?
I'm feeling pretty good about it. Yay! That was a little nerve-wracking with the wind, but... thing ever. Totally worth the money, in my opinion. I think for flying it for my first time, that was, I can't even like, take two. So for flying it for the first time, I think I did pretty well. It's gonna take a little bit of time to get used to it, but I'm really stoked to get some awesome shots for you guys coming soon. Woo!
My hair is in my face.